Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in bio class. Plant tissues are of two types. First is meristematic tissue, second is permanent tissue. Meristematic tissues are of three types. Apical meristem, then lateral meristem, then intercalary meristem. And permanent tissues are of two types, simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. हमने सिंपल परमानेंट टिश्यू को डिस्कस कर लिया हुआ, जिसमें हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था, पैरेन्काइमा, कोलनकाइमा एंड सक्लेरेन्काइमा. कॉम्प्लेक्स परमानेंट टिश्यू डिस्कस करने से पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे प्रोटेक्टिव टिश्यूज. प्रोटेक्टिव टिश्यूज protective tissues protects all the parts of plant. This topic is given in your NCERT page number 71. Protective tissues. Protective tissues are two types, epidermis and cork. First is epidermis. The outermost layer of cell is known as epidermis. Outermost layer of cell. ये outermost layer. This is epidermis. Outermost layer is epidermis. इसका function क्या है? Protection. It protects all the parts of plant. It is present in all the parts of plant. Plants के हर part को protection चाहिए, तो ये plants के हर parts में present होगा, ठीक है? So its occurrence, it is present in all the parts of plant. It is the outermost layer of all the parts of plant. Now, structure of epidermis. The epidermis is made up of single layer of cells. Epidermis is made up of single layer of cells. The most epidermal cells are flat. Single layer of cells and the most epidermal cells are flat. And their outer and side walls are thicker than the inner wall. Outer and side walls are thicker. इसका फंक्शन क्या है? प्रोटेक्शन करना. तो प्रोटेक्शन के लिए यहाँ पे जो आउटर वॉल है, जो साइड वॉल है, वो क्या होती है? थिक. आउटर एंड साइड वॉल्स आर थिकर देन इनर वॉल. द सेल्स ऑफ एपिडर्मल टिश्यू फॉर्म continuous layer without intercellular space. Means there is a no intercellular space. एपिडर्मस का फंक्शन क्या है कि उसने प्रोटेक्शन करनी है, ठीक है? अगर एपिडर्मस सेल्स में स्पेस होगी तो इजीली कुछ भी एंटर कर जाएगा और एग्जिट कर जाएगा. जो सेल्स होते हैं एपिडर्मल टिश्यूज के, उनमें कोई स्पेस नहीं होती है. The cells of epidermal tissue form continuous layer without intercellular spaces. Note down these points of structures of epidermis. Epidermis is made up of single layer of cells. Most epidermal cells are flat. Their outer and side walls are thicker than inner wall. And there is a no intercellular spaces. The cells of epidermal tissues form continuous layer without intercellular spaces. Next, functions of epidermis. In plants living in dry habitat have thicker epidermis. अब ड्राई हैबिटेट है तो वहां पे पानी कम है, ठीक है ना? तो इनका जो एपिडर्मिस है वो क्या होता है? थिकर. दैट प्रिवेंट्स वाटर लॉस. फर्स्ट फंक्शन बड़े नोट कीजिए, इन प्लांट्स लिविंग इन ड्राई हैबिटेट्स they have thicker epidermis that prevents water loss. Next function, the epidermal cells on the aerial part of plant, stems, leaves, fruit, branches, these parts of plant often secrete waxy water resistance layer on their outer surface. Secrete waxy water resistance layer on the outer surface, and this gives protection against loss of water, mechanical injury, and attack by parasitic fungi. And third function, epidermal cells of root. अब epidermal जो cell है वो plants के हर part में present है. It protects all the parts of plant. So in roots, the epidermal cells of roots whose function is water absorption. The epidermal cells of roots whose function is water absorption commonly bear long hair-like parts that increase the surface area for absorption. Functions of epidermis. First, in plants living in dry habitat have thicker epidermis that prevents the water loss. Second, the epidermal cell on the aerial part of plant often secrete waxy water resistance layer on their outer surface. And next is the epidermal cells of roots whose function is water absorption. Commonly have the long hair-like parts. Commonly have the long hair-like structure that increase the total surface area for absorption. These are the functions of epidermis. There are small pores in the epidermis of leaf, and these pores are known as stomata. These pores are known as stomata. Small pores in the epidermis of leaf are known as stomata. यहाँ पे stomata क्या है? Open. और यहाँ पे stomata क्या है? Close. The stomata are enclosed by two kidney-shaped cells. अभी एपिडर्मिस है यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे ऐसे किडनी शेप्ड सेल है और ये पोर्स है, इसको क्या कहते हैं? स्टोमेटा. And these two kidney shaped cells are known as guard cells. And they are necessary for exchange of gases with the atmosphere and for transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration is loss of water in the form of water vapors. What are stomatas? Stomatas are small pores in the epidermis of leaf. Stomatas are enclosed by two kidney-shaped cells known as guard cells. And the function of stomata, exchange of gases with the atmosphere. Second function, transpiration. Transpiration means loss of water in the form of water vapor. Epidermis में हमने क्या डिस्कस किया है? First is the outermost layer of cell is epidermis. Then its occurrence, it is present in all the parts of plant. Structure, epidermis is made of a single layer of cells, and the most epidermal cells are flat and their outer and side walls are thicker than inner wall. The cells of epidermal tissue form a continuous layer without intercellular spaces. Functions in the plants living in dry habitat have thicker epidermis. that prevents water loss. The epidermal cells on the aerial part of plant secrete waxy water resistance layer on their outer surface. Epidermal cells of roots, whose function is water absorption, commonly have the hair-like structures that increase the total surface area for absorption. नेक्स्ट आज हमने क्या डिस्कस किया है, द स्मॉल पोर्स इन एपिडर्मिस ऑफ लीफ, these pores are known as stomata, and stomata are enclosed by two kidney shaped cell known as guard cells, and they are necessary for exchanging gases with atmosphere and transpiration. Transpiration means loss of water in the form of water vapors. And the next protective tissue is core. As the plant grow older, the outer protective tissues undergo certain changes. The cells of cork are dead, compactly arranged without intercellular spaces, and have the chemical known as suberin in their walls. Cells of cork are dead, compactly arranged without intercellular space, and have a chemical called suberin in their walls.